Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing another hike at my favorite place, Klip Rivier, and for the first time this place is very packed. I saw there's an event for YFM, so don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll show you clips of the entrance a little bit later. We had to park on the outside, so it's good that everyone's loving to go outside these days because, well, being outside is actually good for your mental health. And also check out my blog post on mental health tips. It will be linked in the description below. Today is busy. Look at this. I don't even have a photo. And we are done with the hike, guys. The routes are clearly marked. Parking, you have to park on the outside, but I think it's because of the event that was going on and no parking on the inside. But it's a safe, quiet neighborhood, so your car should be fine outside, and there's shade on the outside as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.